Next, I wanted to ask is that whenever you need to take any decision in life, wherein it's like both the options have almost the same amount of pros and cons. It's not black and white. It's not okay, this option is good, this is bad. That's not happens. It's like both have their own sides of good, both have their own sides of bad. How do you then decide that okay, I'm going with this one?
If both are same, then I'll be indifferent here.
No, no,
If
not. Okay.
outcomes are same,
I'll give some context. So there was this web series on TVF, which is TVF Pictures, and in that he mentioned that okay. So the guy asked that how do you take a decision? He's like, I toss a coin and take the most important decision of my life. So his friend asked that, are you mad? Like you put the most important decisions of your life on the fate of a toss of a coin. How is that even logical? That's when this guy answers that I don't take decisions based on the answer of the coin. I just put okay, I have got two options, heads and tails. When the coin is in the air, I pray for one particular side of the coin to fall. I pray that okay, tails aana chahiye. Then I don't even look at tails aaya, heads aaya. I'll go with the option which my mind was praying for when the coin was in the air. So do you think that works? And like because some people say that it's very illogical. You can't always follow this rule.
see, it goes like this. Especially when you are doing any business,
Yeah.
there are a lot many decisions which you make कि जिसका आपको outcome नहीं पता होता.
Hmm.
And believe me, most of the decisions that you take in business are based on a guts.
Yeah.
आपकी gut feeling होती है कि ये सही हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
10 में से जिसका 8 बार सही होता है वो सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन हो जाता है, जिसका ये नंबर उल्टा हो जाता है वो बेचारा अनसक्सेसफुल हो जाता है. सो बिलीव मी, बिजनेस में जितना स्ट्रेटेजी आप यूज करोगे ना कि 1+1 लगाने का ट्राई करोगे ना, तो बिलीव मी आप गलत जाओगे. काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जो इट हैपेंस लाइक दिस कि चल ये कर लेते हैं, आप शुरू भी कर देते हो एंड it may work out, it may not work out, but the only thing is if it works out, okay, make sure that you are celebrating together. Yeah. Okay, with your team and with your partners and all. If it doesn't work out, make sure that there is no criticism within the partners, within the team. Yeah. अगर ये दिमाग में रख के चलते हो ना, तो आई थिंक एवरीथिंग विल ग्रो, बिजनेस विल आल्सो ग्रो. यही चीज आप रिलेशन में डाल दो, ठीक है. लाइक इफ इट ऑल मी एंड आर्ची मैम, वी आर पार्टनर्स इन लाइफ. तो कई सारे डिसीजन होते हैं जो हम instantly ले लेते हैं. There were always two ways of doing the thing, but we instantly opted for first or maybe second. सही भी गए, गलत भी गए. सही गए तो साथ में सेलिब्रेट किया, गलत गए तो we never did like this कि देख तूने बोला था ना तो ये हो. So सही जाओ, सेलिब्रेट करो, गलत जाओ, क्रिटिसाइज मत करो, चलता रहेगा. That's how it goes.
I wanted to add a part of
it is more based on guts. Answer to your question.
Yeah, but
if there is you can't differentiate the things. Then